Today we are going to make Gochujang Chilli chicken. Let's look at the fresh ingredients. For this recipe you need bell peppers, onion, ginger, garlic, spring onions or scallions, celery and green chilli. Now let's marinate our chicken. For this you need ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, sesame oil, cornflour and salt. Now let's start cooking. Heat up the pan, add some sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add our chicken. You can also use the air fryer. Once you see that golden brown crispy color, you can start adding in our other ingredients. And guys, this recipe is totally customizable. If you don't eat chicken, you can replace it with some cauliflower, some tofu or paneer. You can eat it as is or make a gravy out of it by adding some water and some salt to taste. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.